There's a hidden key to unlocking a life you've only dreamt of, a life filled with abundance, joy, and purpose. What if you could rewrite your story, not through struggle or force, but through a simple, profound law that's been working in the background of your life all along? This isn't about empty promises or quick fixes. This is about tapping into a truth that's more powerful than any challenge you face. It's about discovering the law of redemption, the secret to manifesting your desires and living a life that truly reflects your limitless potential. Get ready to uncover the truth that has the power to transform your life from the inside out. Get ready to discover how you can shape your reality and create a life that's aligned with your deepest desires. At its heart, the law of redemption is the idea that we each have the innate power to transform our lives, not through external circumstances, but through the power of our own minds. It's a universal principle, woven into the very fabric of existence, that guides us towards a life of fulfillment and joy. Think of it like this. Your mind is a garden, and your thoughts are the seeds. What you plant in that garden, whether it's seeds of doubt, fear, or limitation, or seeds of hope, love, and abundance, will ultimately determine what grows. The law of redemption invites us to become conscious gardeners of our minds, carefully choosing the seeds we plant and nurturing them with unwavering belief. But it's not just about positive thinking. It's about recognizing that our inner world shapes our outer world. Every experience we have, every circumstance we encounter, is a reflection of our own thoughts and beliefs. This means that we have the power to change our reality by changing the way we think and feel. The law of redemption encourages us to let go of the old, limiting stories we tell ourselves and to step into a new narrative, one of possibility, potential, and unwavering faith in the goodness of life. It's about releasing the chains of the past and accepting a future filled with unlimited possibilities. You might be wondering, how do I actually use this law in my life? It starts with awareness. Begin to pay attention to your thoughts and feelings. What kind of seeds are you planting in your mental garden? Are they seeds of lack, scarcity, and struggle, or seeds of abundance, prosperity, and joy? Once you become aware of your thoughts, you can start to make conscious choices about what you want to cultivate. It's like weeding your garden, pulling out the unwanted plants that are hindering your growth, and replacing them with vibrant, healthy seeds that will blossom into a beautiful reality. The law of redemption isn't about denying challenges or pretending everything is perfect. It's about facing those challenges with a new perspective, knowing that you have the power to overcome them and emerge stronger than before. It's about trusting that the universe has your back, and that every experience, whether positive or negative, is an opportunity for growth and expansion. As you begin to apply the law of redemption in your life, you'll notice subtle shifts in your perception. You'll start to see the world through a lens of possibility, where anything is possible. You'll attract new opportunities, positive relationships, and abundance in all areas of your life. The law of redemption is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of growth, expansion, and self-discovery. But as you continue to practice this powerful law, you'll realize that you are not a victim of circumstance, but the creator of your own destiny. The law of redemption invites you to step into your power, to claim your birthright of joy, abundance, and fulfillment. It's a call to awaken to your true potential and create a life that is aligned with your deepest desires. So, are you ready to rewrite your story? Are you ready to step into a new reality? The law of redemption is waiting for you. The law of redemption operates on a simple yet profound principle. Your thoughts create your reality. Like attracts like. What you focus on expands. This isn't mere wishful thinking. It's a universal law that governs the energy of the universe. Every thought you have, every emotion you feel, sends out a vibration that resonates with the world around you. These vibrations attract similar vibrations, creating a feedback loop that shapes your experiences. If you're constantly dwelling on negativity, lack, and limitation, you'll attract more of the same. But if you choose to focus on positivity, abundance, and gratitude, you'll open the door to a whole new world of possibilities. The law of redemption empowers you to take control of your thoughts and emotions, to become the conscious creator of your life. It's about recognizing that you are not a passive observer, but an active participant in shaping your reality. Every choice you make, every action you take, is an opportunity to align yourself with the life you truly desire. It's not always easy to shift your mindset, especially if you've been conditioned to think and feel a certain way. But the beauty of the law of redemption is that it's always available to you. It's a constant force, working in the background of your life, waiting for you to tap into its power. The law of redemption is intrinsically linked to a greater plan, a divine blueprint for your life. This plan isn't set in stone, but rather a framework of possibilities, a map that guides you towards your highest potential. It's a plan that is constantly evolving, adapting to your choices and actions. Your role in this plan is to become the co-creator of your destiny. You have the power to choose which path to take, which experiences to pursue, and which dreams to manifest. The law of redemption gives you the tools to navigate this journey with clarity, confidence, and unwavering faith. It's about recognizing that you are not alone on this journey. There is a higher power, a universal intelligence, that is always guiding and supporting you. This power is available to you at all times, offering guidance, inspiration, and unwavering love. The plan of redemption isn't about following a rigid set of rules or adhering to a specific dogma. It's about discovering your own unique path, your own individual purpose. It's about living a life that is authentic, meaningful, and aligned with your deepest values. Belief and imagination are the dynamic duo that fuels the law of redemption. They are the tools that allow you to sculpt your reality, to transform your dreams into tangible experiences. Belief is the unwavering conviction that what you desire is already yours. It's the unshakable trust in the unseen, the unwavering faith in the power of the universe to deliver your dreams. When you truly believe in something, you open yourself up to receiving it. You align your energy with the frequency of your desire, attracting it into your life with effortless grace. Imagination is the ability to visualize your desires as if they were already real. It's the capacity to see yourself living the life you dream of, to feel the joy and fulfillment that comes with achieving your goals. When you use your imagination, you create a mental blueprint for your future, a roadmap that guides you towards your desired destination. Together, belief and imagination are the keys to unlocking the law of redemption. When you combine a deep-seated belief in your dreams with a vivid imagination of them coming true, you create a powerful vortex of energy that draws your desires into your reality. It's like planting a seed in fertile soil, nurturing it with sunlight and water, and watching it grow into a beautiful flower. Your belief is the seed, your imagination is the sunlight, and your emotions are the water. Together, they create the perfect environment for your dreams to blossom. Enjoying the content? Feel free to hit the subscribe button. It's free and ensures you won't miss out on future videos. While belief and imagination are essential, they are not enough on their own. To truly activate the law of redemption, you must also engage your emotions. Feelings are the fuel that propels your desires into reality. They are the energy that gives your dreams life, that makes them tangible and real. When you feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude of having already achieved your goals, you amplify the power of your thoughts and beliefs. It's not just about thinking positive thoughts, it's about feeling positive emotions. It's about cultivating a sense of inner peace, joy, and gratitude for all that you have and all that is coming. When you feel good, you raise your vibration, aligning yourself with the frequency of your desires. This allows you to attract more of what you want into your life, creating a positive feedback loop that reinforces your beliefs and strengthens your imagination. The law of redemption is a holistic process that involves your mind, body, and spirit. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your deepest desires, creating a symphony of energy that harmonizes with the universe. The path to transformation isn't always smooth. You may encounter doubts, fears, and setbacks along the way. You might question whether the law of redemption is truly working, or if you're doing it right. These challenges are a natural part of the process, and they offer valuable opportunities for growth. One common obstacle is the fear of failure. We may worry that if we don't see immediate results, we're not worthy or capable of achieving our dreams. But recall that the law of redemption isn't a magic spell. It's a process that requires patience, perseverance, and unwavering faith. Redemption isn't a magic spell. It's a process that requires patience, perseverance, and unwavering faith. Another challenge is the tendency to focus on what we lack rather than what we have. When we fixate on our shortcomings, we block the flow of abundance into our lives. Instead, shift your focus to gratitude. Appreciate the blessings that are already present in your life, and watch as more blessings flow your way. Don't let doubt or negativity derail your journey. Instead, use these challenges as fuel to ignite your determination. Remind yourself that every obstacle you overcome brings you one step closer to your goals. The beauty of the law of redemption is that it can be applied to every aspect of your life. Whether you're seeking to improve your health, enhance your relationships, or advance your career, this universal law can guide you towards success. In the realm of health, the law of redemption can help you cultivate a vibrant and energetic body. By focusing on thoughts of wellness, vitality, and gratitude for your body, you can attract healing and vitality into your life. In relationships, this law can help you create deeper connections and more fulfilling partnerships. By visualizing yourself surrounded by love, support, and understanding, you can attract loving and supportive people into your life. In your career, the law of redemption can open doors to new opportunities and greater success. By focusing on your skills, talents, and passion for your work, you can attract abundance and recognition in your professional life. The possibilities are endless. The law of redemption is a versatile tool that can be used to manifest any desire that is aligned with your highest good. It's about using the power of your mind to create a life that is rich, fulfilling, and overflowing with joy. This is your invitation to step onto a path of unlimited possibility. The law of redemption isn't just a concept, it's a living, breathing force that's waiting for you to activate it. It's your time to claim the life you are meant to live, the life that's been whispering to you from deep within. Start by simply noticing your thoughts and feelings. What stories are you telling yourself about who you are and what you're capable of? Are they stories of limitation or stories of empowerment? Choose one area of your life you'd like to see change. It could be your health, your relationships, your finances, or your career. Then start to visualize yourself as you would be if that area were already transformed. See yourself healthy, vibrant, and full of energy. See yourself surrounded by loving, supportive relationships. See yourself thriving in your career, doing work that you love. Feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude that comes with living this new reality. Let those feelings fill your heart and radiate throughout your entire being. This is the energy that will attract your desires into your life. The law of redemption is a journey of self-discovery, a process of uncovering your true potential and aligning with your highest good. It's a path of continuous growth, expansion, and transformation. And the most beautiful part? It all begins with a single choice, a single step towards a life that is beyond your wildest dreams. The law of redemption isn't just a concept. It's a guiding light, a beacon of hope that illuminates your path to a brighter future. It's a testament to the extraordinary power that resides within each and every one of us, a power that can transform our lives and reshape our destinies. As you step forward on this journey, remind yourself that you are not alone. The universe is conspiring in your favor, waiting to shower you with blessings and abundance. All you need to do is believe in yourself, trust the process, and allow the law of redemption to guide you towards your highest potential. You hold the key to your own happiness and fulfillment. It's time to unlock the door to your dreams and create a life that truly reflects your limitless potential. If this video has sparked a flame of inspiration within you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel for more empowering content.